Marcus is 38. He has a master's degree in engineering. He earns $112,000 per year. He has $11,000 in his savings account. He has $23,000 in credit card debt. He has been earning six figures for 9 years. 9 years at six figures, and he has less than 1 month of expenses saved and $23,000 in high-interest debt. Marcus is not careless. Marcus is not lazy. Marcus reads books about money. He has listened to finance podcasts. He understands compound interest. He can explain the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA better than most people in the room. He knows what an index fund is. He knows the 4% rule. He knows everything he is supposed to know, and he is still broke. Marcus met with a financial advisor last year. The advisor looked at his income and told him he had tremendous potential. He just needed to get organized and start executing. The advisor gave him a budget. Marcus looked at the budget, agreed it made sense, and then did not follow it. Not because he forgot, not because he did not understand it. He understood it perfectly. He just did not do it. Marcus is not an exception. Marcus is the rule. There are millions of people exactly like him. Educated, high-earning, financially literate, and quietly drowning. And I spent months looking at why people with above-average intelligence and above-average incomes consistently produce below-average financial outcomes. What I found is not what the self-help industry tells you. It is not about discipline. It is not about motivation. It is something deeper and more structural than that. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. If you are smart, educated, earning good money, and still feel like your finances are a mess, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. What I am about to show you is not whether smart people can manage money. This is about why the specific way intelligent people think actively works against consistent financial behavior, and why the financial industry profits from selling you education when education was never the problem to begin with. You believe that financial struggle is a knowledge problem. You think that if you just understood investing better, or found the right budgeting system, or read the right book, the behavior would follow. That is what the entire personal finance industry is built on. Books, courses, advisors, apps. All of it assumes the problem is that you do not know enough. That assumption is wrong, and it is especially wrong for smart people. Marcus earns $112,000 per year. After taxes and his 401k contribution of 6%, his take-home pay is approximately $6,100 per month. His fixed expenses are $4,200 per month. Mortgage, $1,800. Car payment, $480. Insurance, $310. Utilities, $190. Minimum credit card payments, $420. Subscriptions and phone, $180. Groceries, $420. That leaves $1,900 per month for everything else. Gas, dining, clothing, entertainment, unexpected expenses. Marcus spends $1,900 every month, sometimes more. He is not buying luxury items. He is not going on expensive vacations. He is buying things that feel reasonable in the moment. A work dinner here, a gadget he needed for a project, a few rounds of drinks with colleagues, upgraded flights because the cheap seats were miserable, a gym membership he uses twice a month because he genuinely intends to use it more. None of these decisions feel irresponsible when he makes them. Each one has a rational justification. That is the problem. Marcus's credit card debt of $23,000 is sitting at 21% interest. He is paying $4,830 per year in interest alone. That is $403 per month going directly to the bank and producing nothing. He has been paying $403 per month in interest for years. Over the last 5 years, he has paid approximately $24,000 in credit card interest. He has essentially paid off his entire current balance once already in interest, while the balance stayed the same. Marcus knows this. He has calculated it. He found it disturbing when he did the math. He intended to fix it. He has not fixed it. This is not a math problem. Marcus can do the math. This is a behavior problem, and smart people have a specific kind of behavior problem that nobody talks about honestly. The first thing that destroys financially intelligent people is what researchers call analysis paralysis. But it goes deeper than that phrase suggests. Marcus has spent years researching the optimal way to pay off his debt. Should he use the avalanche method and attack the highest interest rate first? Should he use the snowball method and pay off the smallest balance first for psychological momentum? Should he consolidate into a personal loan at a lower rate? Should he do a balance transfer to a 0% card? Should he refinance his mortgage and pull out equity to pay off the cards? Each of these options has legitimate arguments for it. Marcus has read about all of them. He has run spreadsheets comparing outcomes. He has Reddit threads bookmarked from 3 years ago that he still refers back to. He has not paid off a single dollar beyond the minimums. He is not confused. He is stuck. And the sticking comes from a specific cognitive trap that intelligent people fall into harder than anyone else. The belief that there is an optimal answer and that acting before finding it is irrational. For an engineer like Marcus, acting on incomplete information feels wrong. It feels like settling. So he keeps researching. He keeps optimizing the plan. And the $23,000 sits there collecting 21% interest while he looks for the perfect solution to eliminate it. The avalanche method would have saved him more money. The snowball method would have given him momentum. Either one would have been better than what he has done, which is nothing. But Marcus could not commit to either without being certain he was choosing correctly. So he chose nothing. And nothing has cost him approximately $24,000 in interest over 5 years. The financially unsophisticated person who picks a random method and executes it is beating Marcus by $24,000. That is the first way intelligence becomes a liability. The second thing is income expansion and what it does to spending psychology. When Marcus was earning $60,000 at 28, he was careful. He had to be. There was not much room. He tracked his spending. He cooked at home. He drove an old car. Then his income grew, $75,000, then $90,000, then $112,000. And at each step, his spending grew with it.